Murder, the killing of one human being by another without legal provocation. Manslaughter, both voluntary and involuntary. Hello, my name's David Wallen, and these are some of the most serious charges you can be charged with. I have over 25 years of experience being a former deputy district attorney, as well as a former judge pro tem, currently a certified criminal law specialist, certified by the State Bar of California. Along with two of the finest attorneys in the area, we have over 40 years dealing with these kinds of offenses. We've done well in excess of 100 cases dealing with the death of another human being, while most firms have never even handled these kinds of cases. So while we hope you never need us, if you're accused or a loved one is accused of one of these types of offenses, give us a call. We'll be more than happy to go over the facts of the case, tell you exactly how we plan on fighting it, and we hope to get the best possible disposition for you or your loved one in this kind of a situation. So give us a call at any one of our locations, and we'll be more than happy to talk to you. We hope you never need us, but if you do, we'll be there. God bless you. Have a good day.